Via Cornigliano in Genoa is a very busy and very noisy arterial road. The municipality decided to redevelop it to render it more livable with a radical and innovative intervention. So a pilot project, the first of its kind in Italy, was designed that involved creating a digital model of the road, both at surface level and by mapping the services below it. The process of building the digital model involved several phases. Surveying underground services using ground-penetrating radar technologies. And surveying the surface using laser scanner technologies. After the point cloud was captured, 3D models of the surface and the underground utilities were built using existing documentation and the municipality's redevelopment project, as well as the acquired data. Then, the survey data was processed, thanks to Autodesk Recap Pro. Next, Autodesk Civil 3D was used to model the underground services. And Autodesk Revit to model the buildings along the road. Autodesk InfraWorks made it possible to model the entire territorial context. This was done utilizing the geospatial data and the models previously created with the other software. At the end of this phase, the surface models were imported into virtual reality applications, and the underground services models into augmented reality applications. This example shows how digitization and the use of parametric and visual technologies can concretely assist public administrations to present redevelopment projects to their citizens, to effectively manage the maintenance and management of underground services, and to collaborate in a revolutionary way with professionals like architects and engineers. Innovation and technology are central to the redevelopment of Via Cornigliano in Genoa.